Hey guys, this is my first video. So let's see how this goes. By the way, my other account is called Flash YT or Flash YouTube. I have no idea what it's actually called. Or wait, no. Okay, I'm stuttering a lot. Anyway, so my YouTube account channel is mostly gonna be about MM2. So yay, I guess. Alright, I have no idea what to say here. Guess I could tell about myself. Okay, never mind, I have no idea what to say. LOL. Anyways, do not look at my other YouTube account, because I had no idea what I was doing. Yeah, that was an epic failure. Innocent. So, I'll tell you my MM2 skill. So, I don't have the best name. You could say I have average or bad possibly. And my jukes are pretty bad. So we can do like one juke. But then I get stabbed and the hitbox. The hitbox is too much for me. Yeah, as you can see, I'm terribly laggy. Not for this, I am a mobile player, so I can't go through all this the bouncy pill. I thought I could, but I actually wanted yeah, I think I can still speed glitch though. Yo, where did it go? Oh yeah, I am an alien now. I am an alien. I'm possessed. Anyway, so let's continue. But you probably won't be seeing much editing or editing at all, because let me just say, I started YouTube and I'm pretty bad at editing. I don't even know how to, in fact. And you'll never see me go live because I'm trying to go live, but I couldn't find where the button is. I'm a fairy. You're probably gonna watch this video like, what the heck is this guy saying? Oh well. By the way, sadly, I'm not rich. This is fake headless. Sadly, it is. Oof. Okay. Let me just say that I'm also chill at rage quitting. Yeah. Okay, does this guy know what he's doing? Or is he new? Okay, he's only level 10. Alright. Yeah, tell me if you guys ever want to see some different content. But I mostly will be doing Roblox and Cookie and Kingdom. If you guys want Cookie and Kingdom. And if you guys want me to play other Roblox games, I've definitely played all the popular ones. Like 99 Nights, Steal a Brain Rot Plants. This is Brain Rot Squirrel Garden. It's kind of dead now. Played like Dead Drills a few times. Even though that game's dead now. And I will not play Adopt Me, sorry. But what should I do? Tell me if you guys want any other content than MM2. Also love playing Dandy's Road. Kind of quit it though. I have all the normal mains and all the tunes in the shop. I have all the Halloween tunes except for the main, and all the Easter tunes except for the main. Alright guys, so by the way, I have a friend and he said that he's a YouTuber too. Yes! Murder first time with this exo knife. I swear if I get shot straight away, I will disappear and you guys will never see me again. Not getting shot straight away, good sign, that's good. That guy immortal or something? He's the chosen one. He's immortal. Yeah, just jumper. Evo. Goodbye. For sheriff. Call me off guard. Girl, don't you do it. I thought I would get my first victory. Well, not first victory, but victory as murder with this knife. First victory as murder with this knife. No, thank you. Sorry. Anyways, I'll do. This will be my last round, or maybe I'll do some more. Maybe, probably will. Why are you alien? Yeah, I have no idea who that is. Nicholas used to look the same as usual. Yeah, I know who you guys are. Girl, stay away. What did he do to Stitch? Love being targeted, lol. Targeted. So, yeah. Let's spectate the bird. Let's see if she wins. Come on. By the way, there might be some background noises, so, don't mind them. But Ice Wing is so unfit. Girl, just stab through the wall, please. Or does she not know? She probably doesn't. And it's fine, I didn't know that until, like, well, level 50. JK, I did. I always watched my cousin play. I was screaming random things into her mic, and she was like, "Be quiet, I'm gonna get back." And I was like, nah. Mostly just scared her. Right? And there she goes. Wait, is that real headless? Let's check. Oh, first, is that real headless? Nope. As usual. I swear, if that's real headless on core block. No, 10, so. Core block. Yep, still not 10. Girl, who are you? But okay, stop. No, sorry. No, thank you. No. We better not get office. I hate office. Rawr. Guys, guess what? Jump scare. I don't know what that was not a jump scare. Woo, armored. Woo, armored. Targeted. Like, why? And bro, it's so laggy. Go fix your Wi-Fi. Yeah, no, what's happening to him? What's happening? Why is the yellow guy? Never mind. He's a survivor. He's an astronaut, y'all. He's an astronaut. He's an astronaut. Nice. I wish I had something like a harvester. Harvester is my dream weapon, by the way. HL2, I've never seen that. Don't mind that, guys. Oh, no. Do not open chat. Do not open chat, Debbie. Do not open chat.